Hey guys, in this video, I will give honest review on LangFlow. Alright, let's begin. LangFlow is quickly gaining attention in 2025 as one of the most intuitive and visually appealing platforms for building and managing large language model LLM workflows. Built with LangChain under the hood, LangFlow takes a visual drag and drop approach to designing AI pipelines, making it an exciting option for developers, researchers, and even non-technical users who want to harness the power of LLMs without diving too deep into code. But how good is it really? Let's break it down in this review and guide. LangFlow's biggest strength lies in its node-based interface. Much like N8N or flowchart tools, it lets you visually map out your language model logic. You can add nodes for prompts, memory, tools, chains, and more, then connect them to define the flow of data and reasoning in your AI application. This makes it incredibly helpful for prototyping, debugging, and refining prompt logic, especially when working with multi-step processes like summarization, retrieval, question answering, or chatbot conversations. One of the most attractive parts of LangFlow is its deep integration with LangChain and OpenAI models, as well as support for Hugging Face and custom endpoints. This means users can design applications that pull in data from various tools like vector databases or APIs, manipulate the data with tools, and pass it through a chain of LLM logic all visually. It removes much of the friction of writing long chains of Python code manually, which has traditionally been a barrier in building LLM workflows. LangFlow also includes live testing and real-time output viewing, which is essential for rapid iteration. You can change prompts, adjust settings, and immediately see how the LLM responds, making prompt engineering much faster and more interactive. For developers, it's also possible to export your flows as LangChain Python code, which is a great way to move from prototyping to deployment. However, LangFlow is still evolving. Some users may encounter occasional bugs, missing documentation, or limitations when working with very large or complex flows. Also, while it lowers the barrier to entry, a basic understanding of LangChain concepts or LLM workflows is still important for best results. So, in order to decide if LangFlow is worth it, you have to follow these steps. Identify your workflow needs, consider your comfort level with LLM logic, and see whether you prefer a visual interface over scripting. For anyone serious about LLM development, whether for chatbots, automation, or experimentation, LangFlow offers a unique and powerful toolkit that's definitely worth exploring. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.